spoon, glass, sugar, lemon, chaat masala, and this activity is conducted by your teacher Kiran Jot Kaur. Okay, now all of you have to see and you have to make with me. Getting? All of you take one glass. One glass. Take one glass. Beta, you have to listen to your ma'am properly, okay? Take one glass. You need sugar for this. Sugar. Add 2 spoons of sugar. Students, I am muting you all. There is a lot of noise coming. Ma'am is muting you all. Ma'am आप सबको mute कर रहे हैं. You just have to listen to your ma'am what I am saying. Okay? I am muting all of you. No one will make noise and listen. After adding 2 spoons of sugar, Gurleen Kaur, you are not doing the activity. All of you, after putting 2 spoons of sugar in the glass, you have to put little bit water. Water should not be cold. ठंडा पानी नहीं होना चाहिए. Normal water, filter water. Okay? You have to stir sugar in it properly. Mix sugar properly in it. Parents, if you are there, please help your ward so that they can easily perform the activity. Mix it properly. Yes, I am watching all of you. Please do the activity nicely. Very good. Stir it properly. See, almost my sugar is dissolved now in the water. It's almost dissolved now in the water. Now what you have to do is, you have to take one lemon. It should be cut like this. You will not cut yourself. Take help of your mama. Take help of your mama. You will not cut yourself. Take help of your mama. And you have to put it this in a funnel like this and squeeze the lemon into the glass like this. Squeeze the lemon into the glass like this. Squeeze the lemon properly. Squeeze the lemon properly. Yes. You have to squeeze the lemon properly in the glass. After squeezing lemon, you have to put this on one side, and again you have to stir it properly. Now we'll use chaat masala, MDH chunky chaat masala, for a yummy taste. We will add chunky chaat masala, little bit chaat masala, see this much of chaat masala in the water, and you have to stir it. Stir it properly until it get dissolved. अच्छे से जब dissolve हो जाएगा ना तब तक उसको stir करना है. Now to add taste, you can add anything in it. If you have soda at your home, or if you have lemon, it's not compulsory. अगर आपके पास है तो, if you have anything, lemon, soda, anything at your home, you can add that also. Just wait, let me open the bottle. Let me open the bottle. If you have anything, this is not compulsory for you. If you have this at your home, you can add this in your lemonade. You can add this in your lemonade. Like this, and again you have to stir it. After putting little bit of this, you can add cold water. You can add cold water. Cold water, and again you have to stir it properly. You have to stir it properly. I have mint leaves also with me. See, mint leaves. If you have this at your home, mint leaves at your home, if you have, अगर आपके पास है, ma'am is only just telling you, okay? If you have mint leaves at your home, you can add 2 or 3 mint leaves for decoration, and moreover, it will give you a good taste. Like this. Mint leaves. Now see, I have cut a thin slice, a thin lemon slice. I have cut this thin lemon slice. Okay, बिल्कुल पतली सी है ये. Mama will cut this for you. Mama will cut this for you. All of you, just look here. This is a thin slice. Mama will cut this for you. Are you all making with me now? Look here. Very good. Look here. I have put this slice here like this. I have put this slice here like this. Is it looking nice? nice? Is it looking nice? Yes. Now I'll be waiting for all of you. Just do this very good. One by one I am watching all the activities.